I'm Alex, and in the next few moments we'll have a small comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Nexus and the Samsung Galaxy S2.
Hello everyone, I'm also Alex, and the comparison will be between the S2 and the Galaxy Nexus.
No, actually the Nexus will be the start because it's the first phone to ever have the Android 4.0 operating system, also known as the ice cream sandwich.
Yeah, okay, and what else?
Well, it has a 1.2 GHz dual-core processor.
Same as mine.
It has 1 GB of RAM memory.
I have the same amount.
It has 16 GB of internal storage.
Same as mine, only mine has a micro SD slot.
It has a 4.65 display.
Okay, the display is smaller, but it's still Super AMOLED.
Okay, maybe you have a point. But still, it's gonna be a Nexus versus S2 because the Android 4.0 is present on the Nexus and not on the S2, at least not for now.
Okay, hello everyone, I'm Alex, and let's see what the two me's were fighting about. So as you can see, I have here a Samsung Galaxy Nexus and the Samsung Galaxy S2. This one runs the Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich, this one runs the Android 2.3 gingerbread. So let's begin. Let's turn them both off. As you can see, there is a small difference in the power off menu. Here we can switch on or off the data network, whereas here we can't. This would have been a good feature present in the Nexus, but unfortunately Google took it out. Not sure why, looking forward to bringing it back in the possible update, but who knows. Anyway, let's turn the phones off. This one's already off, this one not yet. Done. Now let's bring them back to life. You can see the Google logo, not the Samsung logo. Actually, Samsung doesn't have any type of logo on this phone other than the small logo on the back, on the battery cover. And the Nexus is already on, so is the Samsung Galaxy S2. The first contact is via this lock screen. You can see the new unlock method is taken from the Android 3.0. We have the unlock and we have a shortcut to the camera. Also, in this lock screen we can see the notifications if we have any. Now, this is the home screen for the Galaxy Nexus Android 4.0. This is the classic gingerbread home screen. You can see that we have a Google bar on top. This is present on all the screens. This is the last screen animation. Same here. So this means we only have 5 home screens. On this one we have up to 7. Also, on this one we can pinch to zoom, on this one we can't. Another new thing is about the widgets. You can't hold and add a widget. No. You have to go in the menu, see the widgets tab, and select your widget from over here. Select the widget, hold it, and drag it onto the screen. A new thing is that the widgets are resizable. You can make it bigger, smaller, according to your needs. Or remove it. We also have 5 icons on the bottom, out of which 4 can be changed. This one is the All Apps menu, so we can't modify that one. but we can add whatever we want here and have it present on all the home screens. On this one, we can do that. Google thought about the accessibility of some applications, and this can only make us happy because it will help us if we frequently use an application and don't want to browse around searching for it. Other than that, we have the notification screen. You can see that we no longer have these connectivity shortcuts. We only have one settings button. We can go in it and activate or deactivate whatever we want. This is also would have been a better solution actually, so I'm not entirely sure why they took it out, but hopefully just with the data network mode it will be added in a future update. We still have this widget which allows us to turn off or on certain connectivities, but this would have been easier. In the main menu, aside from the new widgets tab, we have the apps. There is the same effect as on the home screens when you reach the end, and the transition is much more interesting. The new page seems to come out from behind the first page. Other than that, the transition is smooth, very fluent, no problems here. You can also notice the 3 new buttons. They are part of the display, they're not physical buttons like on this one. You can notice that there is no more menu button here. No, actually it is, but it will only appear in applications that require it, let's say Facebook. Here's the button. It has the same effect like the menu button. But it only appears when it's needed. So we have the back button, the home button, and the recent apps button. This one will show us a list of all the recent applications, in a nice thumbnail of course. In order to close them or dismiss them, you just slide. This shows us that Google thought a lot about the multitasking, and instead of having this Task Manager, they used the new recent apps button, which helps you a lot when it comes to switching between the applications. Other than that, Google added all of their latest mobile applications like Maps, Gmail, Calendar, Google+, YouTube, Gtalk, and some of them received a small facelift, like the Gmail. As you can see, all of these shortcuts are available here via the menu button. So this means that we can do tasks faster. Now, in order to change from an email to another, you just have to slide, instead of this one where you have to click. The calendar also received a facelift. Now has a different design. It has the same functionality. It's a very good calendar. Same good sync with Google. the phone has the new Google Earth application installed. Which is working perfectly. Some new features in the ice cream sandwich we can find in the settings department. We have the data usage, which is actually a counter for mobile internet. You can set a warning. When that limit will be reached, you'll get a warning that you've reached the limit. We can set a limit. When you'll reach that limit, the phone will turn off the mobile internet and you'll no longer be able to use it. And we can see how much we used in a certain amount of time. Also, we have the new security setting. As you can see, in this one we have the pattern, the PIN and the password. Here we have these three. We have the slide, which is the classic unlock, and we have the face unlock. With it, the phone first of all scans your face, then uses it to unlock the device. Don't worry if there is no light and the phone can't recognize you. You have a backup pin with which you can unlock the device. Other than that, in Android 4.0, Google worked a lot on the camera interface. Samsung gave them the hardware and they did the rest. So the camera now has a new interface, and according to them, it's one of the fastest shutter cameras ever. Let's see if they're true. Yeah, that looks pretty fast. The camera also has a new mode, the panorama mode, where you just hit the button, slowly slide the phone, and the phone will automatically make the wide picture for you. Okay, so these would be the main differences between the Android 4.0 and the Android 2.3. Hoping that you've enjoyed this review and you have now an idea about what to expect from the Android 4.0. Thank you very much for watching this, and I hope you'll watch another review made by me for another Samsung device.